Okay, so here's a video on how to use the Samsung Ecobubble Washer, and this I've got the Ecobubble 9K. So to turn on the machine, press the power button, you got the familiar sound, and it starts immediately on the 15-minute quick wash. Okay, so you've got the settings on the wheel, you can see the light, and then you've also got your times. So if I want to change, pretty simply, just turn the wheel down and you'll see the times changing correspondingly. Let's say the Super Eco Wash might be most people's go-to is 2 hours and 21 minutes. Now if we come over to here, then you've got a few nice features. Let's say you can do a delay end. So if you press this timer button, then it sets the end time. So if you know you're going to be out for 4 hours, you can do that and press play, and you know you'll come back to washing that's just finished instead of sitting there getting all moldy and smelly in the machine. So that goes all the way up to 24, and if you do, you probably just want to tap right through is the fastest way to get out of that if you want to reset it. Another handy feature, you've got the child lock here, and you just want to press, you see the padlock icon, double press those two for 3 seconds.
So I thought I'd dub this in after. You're going to see me start to struggle at this point. I'm just trying to get it to work with the child lock, and I really couldn't. Even though I've done it many times before, it just wouldn't work. So there's a design feature. It's a little bit trickier to use than it may appear, even though the buttons were beeping. So you can see me flailing around, but just to note, the child lock might be hard to use on your Samsung Ecobubble Washer. So let's be totally honest about that. Back to the review.
You've also got the easy iron function, which then just means that it doesn't get them super creased when they're in the spin cycle. So that is quite handy to have as well. If you want to let it sit in some kind of, stain remover, you can press that and it will do that as well. So you can then set it as you need. Okay, so
I'll add this in because my audio went a bit funny too. But the hand symbol is just to go for an intensive option or a pre-wash or both, and you can just toggle through by pressing that.
Then you can also toggle through the spin cycles, so you can see the speed went up to 1400, then down to 0, no spin, and then you can see the spin speed as well each time you toggle through them. So yeah, you've got your spin cycles there. You've also got your rinse options, and you can just toggle through them to add a longer rinse if you want. Okay,
and then you've also got the temperature setting to toggle that on each wash cycle.
Okay, you've got your play or pause to set it off. As we talked about, there's the wheel and your detergent drawer. This one's a bit gunky and not very clean, but over here this one, let's see if you can actually see that. You've got the one line, that's for your pre-wash. Then over on this side is actually for your detergent, your full wash, and this is a moldy one, so you really want to be just using a liquid to mainly avoid that and give this a good clean, and I'll do another video on that. And in the middle then you've got your fabric softener, and you've got your maximum line there to tell you don't overdo it. Okay, so that'll help you out no end. So let's just close that, and then you've got a little handle inside the door there to pull, just to open the drum. And yeah, it's just a 9K drum, so nothing spectacular. And so my friend who owns this is very happy with it, says it's been great for several years, and it's just it's a good solid washing machine. So if you like this, check out more videos on how to use it and other tips on the channel, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Turn it off as well.